4 students sit in a row, in positions 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they chat with the people right next to them. Then they rearrange themselves so that no student ends up next to anyone they were next to before. How many such rearrangements are possible? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Label the students 1, 2, 3 and 4 in their original order. The people sitting next to each other are the pairs 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3 and 4. These are the pairs we must break apart. We need a new left to right order in which none of those pairs sit together. Checking every arrangement. Only 2 of them work. The first is 2, 4, 1, 3. Its neighbor pairs are 2 and 4, 4 and 1, and 1 and 3. None of these is an original pair. The second is 3, 1, 4, 2. Its neighbor pairs are 3 and 1, 1 and 4, and 4 and 2. Again, none is an original pair. Every other order keeps at least one original neighbor together. So there are exactly 2 rearrangements. So the answer is 2.